stick around to see how we went from this to this. Yep, in a matter of less than 10 minutes, I think you can too. So stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Cheryl, the activity author, here with another craft for you today. So let's get into it. So you're gonna go ahead and start with your egg carton, and you're just gonna use the bottom part where the eggs get in. So you're gonna go ahead and cut everything else off like I'm doing here. The next thing you want to do is cut off 4 slots. Those are where you're going to make the flowers out of, and everything else is going to be the flower bed. So go ahead and start by putting some paint into the flower bed, and then that way your little one can just paint that. It's the easiest way, plus it saves on you having to use a paper plate. And then do the same for the flowers. So we're going to make our flowers pink, and we're going to make our flower bed green. Right, so everything is painted and dried fully. So now that it's dry, we're gonna go ahead and make our flowers. So go ahead and cut one section off, and you're basically going to make this your flower. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all around, and I'm going to cut little slits like you see that I'm doing here. And I'm going to leave the circle part, of course, attached, because that's going to be the center of the flower. Now, once you finish making your flower and you cut all your slits like I'm done, I'm just going to go around now, and I'm going to clean it up by just cutting it into a circle. See, I'm just cutting off all those little fraggly looking ends and just basically make a circle. And that is how you make the flower. Simple. Ta-da! Now you could be done here, but I'm going to take it one step further and paint the inside yellow. It just brings it out more and makes it look like a flower, in my opinion. So if you have a chance to do this extra step, I say do it. It makes all the difference. And now our last step in our 10-minute project is to put the flowers together. Now you can use regular glue if you have time to sit around and wait for it to dry, but I'm going to use a hot glue gun. So I'm going to take a hot glue and stick on my flowers on the green popsicle stick, and then I'm just going to stick it in my flower bed, and believe it or not, you're done. Super simple, guys. Super simple, super easy. And look, we're upcycling. This is a great way to teach your kids about upcycling and how do you use trash or things that you've already used and reuse it again. Make it new, make it better. So one more thing I decided to add was the leaves, because I feel like it makes a flower having some leaves. So you can take a green construction paper and fold it many times as you need to. I'm going to fold mine about 6 times because I need 6 leaves, and I'm going to cut out a leaf shape, and I'm going to also hot glue that to my flower. And now for me, it is complete. Doesn't that look a lot better? So you know that you can use this a lot of different ways. I also plan on using this craft to teach my daughter about counting and adding and subtracting. So you can take some pom-pom balls. They can, you know, substitute as your flowers, or planting seeds. You can teach kids about planting seeds, and you can put pom-pom balls in. You can take them away. You can be like, hey, okay, so we have 8 pom-pom balls, but if I take 2, how many are left? So this is a good way to help kids, you know, learn counting. It can teach them the cycle of growing flowers and plants. So you can use this many different ways, guys. And check out the description box to see other ways that we use this project. All right, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. And you know what? A way to thank me for making it is liking the video. So go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this channel, because you know you want to see more, and hit that notification bell as well, so you know every time I post. Now, y'all know National Craft month is almost over because the 31st is the last day, but I will still be posting videos, guys. I will still post weekly, back to my regular schedule, so you want to definitely check it out and subscribe to my army. I will see you guys tomorrow for another craft video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy Monday.